What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Steve, Putnworksteve, back with another video. And this video right here today, what we are talking about is 10 things every single man should have in his household for grooming. Every single thing that you will need to know is right here on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's get to the video. Number 1, every single man should have in their household for grooming is face, soap, lotion, whatever you need, skincare. That's what you need. I use something that's called Murad. If you can't afford it, or if you feel like it's not working for you, or you have anything else, use it. Okay, guys? Why? You should have skincare in your household, and you should use it every single day, so that way you can get all the dead skin, all the dirt off your face, everything. We all need it, man. We all need this, guys, because some of us are looking kind of rough out there, and we need to work on ourselves, okay? Use it morning and night. You need to have this. That's number 1. Number 2, make sure to always have a razor or clippers. Now, you know, for those that have very coarse hair, sometimes it's always good to use your clippers. I prefer using the clippers. I don't like using the razor. Plus, you know, I try to avoid razor bumps. If you do decide you want to use your razor, just be careful, okay? Guys that don't know how to use a razor, ask somebody, okay? That how do you use it? How do you use a razor? You know, don't forget that. But this is something that you always need in your household, okay? Number 3, every man in their household for grooming should have lotion. Lotion. I have 2 different types of lotion that I use on my skin right now. This is the Vaseline Men. I say go get it. They have all different types of brands that you can use out there for your skin, but this is something that I use. Also, I have the Teak Wood from Bath and Body Works. It doesn't matter. Make sure you keep your skin moisturized from head to toe, because no woman wants to talk to a man with ashy behind hands, feet, face, or whatever. Do what's best for you to keep your skin moisturized. Lotion is something that every man needs, okay? Number 4, deodorant. We all need deodorant in our lives. You don't want to walk around smelling yourself and be like, dang, I stink. You don't want nobody going around saying that you stink. I know some guys out there stink really bad. This is something that I use. I love the Dove products. I love Dove. If y'all don't know what this is, y'all need to go ahead and go to any type of store, look for the Dove, tell them Putnworksteve sends you, okay? Doesn't matter if you feel like Dove is not perfect for you, find what works best for you and yourself, because some deodorants don't work well with other guys because you might, you know, use the wrong one and burn yourself. But make sure you get the proper right deodorant, so that way it can smell perfect for you. So when you go around, people like, what's that smell? What's that smell? Oh, that's just my underarms, you know, that's that Men Dove, you know. Let them know what you use. Number 5. Now, I'm gonna let you guys know this right now. Everybody should have this in their household. 2 things. Well, I'm gonna say 3, okay? You need to have a toothbrush and toothpaste. If you do not have these 2, you're not getting further in life. Nobody wants to smell somebody's other breath. When you get all up close into a girl's face, she doesn't want to smell your stinky behind breath. Nobody wants that. When you talk to a group of people, or your boys or whoever, they be like, yo, bro, what does that smell? Like, you don't want that, guys. I'm telling you this right now. This is something that you have must needed in your household for grooming. Make sure you brush your teeth. Make sure you know, get the perfect toothpaste, so that way it can work best for you, so you can have the nice pearly white teeth like me. And don't forget to floss. That's another thing too. Don't forget to floss at all, because we all need to floss. But check out this toothbrush that I have. You hear it, right? Get the right things. Number 6, always have a brush and comb, okay? Always have these 2 things. You can't be walking around looking rough. Always brush your hair or comb it, and always comb your beard or brush it, okay? It's not that hard. It's simple, okay? You cannot walk around looking like what happened and who shot John. Can't be doing it. Number 7, now, what's the main things you need to do to wash your hair? I'll wait. Always have shampoo and conditioner. You always need this to wash your hair, so that way your hair can be smelling good. No flakes, no dirt in your hair. Make sure you get into that hair, so that way all the particles and everything, all the chemicals, whatever it is that's gonna get into your hair to work its magic to make your hair look good and shiny and healthy. Always make sure you have that. Number 8, make sure you have some type of body wash, some type of soap. Even if you use a bar soap, I prefer both body wash and soap. I use any type of soap, it doesn't matter. But don't take no 3-minute showers. Don't take no 5-minute showers. Make sure you just wash your body the proper way. Get under the arms. Get under every body part that you think needs to be touched, which is every single part of your body. But make sure you always do that, man, because you need to be smelling good. I love the Dove product. If y'all don't have this, you know, y'all need to go try it out. But if you can't afford it, hey, look, I understand, because I was in your shoes at one point, and I'm letting you know this right now. You know, do the best is what's best for you. Number 9, always have a fresh pair of clothes. Clothes, okay? Clothes. Don't be throwing the same clothes you had on the last night or you went to the gym with and smelling good. Nobody wants that, man. Have a fresh pair of clothes, man. Like, don't be walking around. Don't walk around with the same darn clothes on. Like, that stinks. That's nasty. Don't you believe? Like, if you decide to leave this house, you know how much dirt, the germs is all on your clothes. Like, you want to make sure you change your clothes, man. Like, always, this is all part about grooming, guys. Make sure you take care of yourself. Like, don't do that. Don't do that. Change your underwears, okay? Change your socks. Your feet be stinking, okay? And put a brand new shirt and some pants on and go about your business. How hard is that? How hard is it? Last but not least, number 10. Number 10, always have a great choice of cologne. Doesn't matter what cologne you use, make sure it's the proper cologne that's good for your smell, your taste, and you think that your girl or whoever else may think it fits you and it works best for you. I have the Dior Savage, also have the Mercedes-Benz cologne. These two were a gift from my girl. She got these for me, but I love these so much, especially like the Dior. I plan to get different other types of cologne, but you need that, guys. You need it. You need it to start your day. You know, you need it to smell good. Now, some of those they don't believe in that. You got the oils, but you know, I love it. You know, I love it. I like to spray it all on me, you know, so that way I can be smelling good and I go about my business. But I'm gonna tell you these things that, you know, you need, man, because some of you guys out there that just forget about, you know, taking care of self. Okay, and these are the 10 things that's going to help you out to get through your day. Okay, don't go around walking around funky. Don't go around with your breath smelling. Don't go around with your skin ashy. Don't go around with your hair not being done or anything like that. Make sure you take care of yourself. This was 10 things about grooming yourself. I'm Steven Patterson, also known as Putnworksteve. I appreciate every last one of y'all. Thank you so much for viewing this channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.
Put it